Hey Pro Source, my name is Bruce.
And I'm Kate.
And I'm David with lightcanhelpyou.com. We are going to talk about CSL lighting, Creative Systems lighting today, and tell you what we like and what we don't like about them, or at least what we hope they will improve. First, let's talk a little bit about who they are. And they are owned, like many lighting manufacturers, by a family. And that family is not involved just in CSL lighting. There's Troy RLM. Yeah, Troy RLM, and then there's Hudson Valley. So those are all companies that are owned by the same family. But CSL makes specification quality downlights, and that's what we came to them first for. And we're going to show you what we like. So there are a lot of different kinds of downlight manufacturers out there. People who make one kind of downlight and they just ship 1 million of them, and then people who make 1 million kinds of downlights and just ship one of them. CSL is of the latter. They make a lot of different types, and you can specify all the different components of it, so we can get very specific and get exactly what we want as lighting designers. This is their 1-inch aperture with a little matte silver cone and a white trim. It's in a remodel, so this will connect to a driver, go through a very small hole, go up into the ceiling, and spring clip. This big piece here is the heat sink, which allows them to drive the LED and get more light out of it than they would if it was just a retrofit screw-in bulb. Here's what we've seen from CSL that we haven't seen from anybody else, and that's a recessed multiple. It looks good. So yeah, go ahead and bring that over, Kate. Recessed multiples are where they try to pack a couple of downlights into one spot. And this has 2 light sources in one place. So all you see from below is this little rectangle of light, and we use these everywhere, like hallways, down the hallway to light art on both sides of a hallway from one fixture, above the bed, you know, all kinds of different places where we want multiple sources of light, but we don't want to clutter up the ceiling with a whole bunch of downlights. This is called the gyro shift, and what's interesting about it is that it looks very clean and it doesn't even look adjustable, so the whole housing is very clean, but each one of these is individually aimable at something else on the wall. So you loosen it up and push it over, and you can aim that at whatever you need to aim it at. So we love the adjustability of the gyro shift. It comes in the 2 here, and it also comes in 4.
There's a 3, a 4, and a square.
Yep. So the 3 is long, and I think there's a 4 long as well.
A 4 linear, 3 linear.
So you can get what you want. This is the 2-inch version. They make a 3-inch version also that's a little bigger. You get a little more punch out of that. And we're using mostly the 3-inch right now because it has the warm dim chip available, which allows us to mimic incandescent. They have even taken that technology and put it into cylinders. So this could go on a concrete ceiling and it looks like a straight down light, a straight down cylinder. But with the gyro shift technology and the end of it, you can again loosen it, aim it where you want to aim it, and now you have a clean look of a cylinder with a light that's pointing over there, or wherever you need it. So, looks like you want to show...
Yeah, one other thing about CSL I think we really like is the fact that standard, they have about 25 different finishes that you can choose from. So I know sometimes it's a little complicated when you're ordering, especially for the recessed multiples. You have one color that you can have for the trim, one color for the inside of the trim, and then one color for the actual bezel itself. If you want to kind of go full Las Vegas on that, you know. So.
Yeah, you basically color these 3 parts individually. So if you're looking for a signature look, you can. Sure. Hey, Kate, come on back in because there's another reason we really like CSL.
Oh, well, their people are just great. Their regional sales reps, we've dealt with a lot, and they're so nice and they're so great and knowledgeable too. They're very willing to help out.
Absolutely.
And that makes a difference.
We like CSL. It does take longer to get their product. You have to know a little bit more to specify it, but there's a good margin involved in this product, and it's a higher grade product than what most people are going to be able to get. So that's why we wanted to share them with you. So thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos on the other manufacturers that are in the buying group. Thanks, and remember that light can help you.
And we can help you with light.
Yes.